Bienvenue guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be doing some brown stewed turkey wings in the oven. And in this recipe we'll be using some freshly cleaned turkey wings. Here I have some green seasoning and I also have some garlic paste. In here I have salt, black pepper, smoked paprika, garlic powder, some dried parsley and poultry seasoning. And back here we have some brown cooking soy sauce. Let's get right to seasoning. First we start with our green seasoning and the garlic paste. Soy sauce. And next we're going to mix it all together. Now I didn't add any olive oil or any type of oil because turkey wings does have a lot of fat and I didn't want too much fat to be coming from it. Okay guys, so the turkey wings are all seasoned. I am going to cover it up with some plastic wrap. I am going to allow it to marinate overnight and I'll see you guys in the morning. So it is all seasoned and marinated overnight. Now I did cut up some carrots and some potatoes, and I also put in some fresh thyme. So for the first about 30 to 35 minutes, I am going to cook this covered. I am going to place some foil paper on here whilst it bakes. And then the rest of the time that it cooks, which will be approximately another 30 minutes, or 30 to 35 minutes, I am going to have it uncovered and baste it from time to time. And I'll be showing you guys the process as we go along. And this is how the turkey wings are looking, and it's been about 30 minutes. So the first 30 minutes, again, I did have it covered up with foil. Now when I removed the foil, I did baste it using my turkey baster. And I did go ahead and add just a little bit of browning to it with some hot water. And this is how it is looking. Now I'm going to place it back into the oven to cook for an additional 20 to 30 minutes. I'll see you guys in the next slide. So at this time, if you wanted to, you can go ahead and add your fresh onion and garlic and your peppers. But because I added the green seasoning, which is a blend of all of these, I did not go ahead and add any more fresh herbs, but it is all up to you. And back into the oven it goes. And we are all done, guys. You guys see how beautiful this looks? We are all done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Now, if you enjoyed this video and you like my content, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And I do look forward to seeing you guys tuned in to my next video. Catch you guys in the next one. Bye.